Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your Redmi 9A. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Redmi 9A and you were wondering how to change wallpaper. It's really very easy and simple. In order to do that, you click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, you're going to see a screen appear just like this. Scroll all the way down and then we're going to find here something say wallpaper. After click over wallpaper, we're going to see skin going to be appear just like this. Here you can see there is a pre-installed wallpaper. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I would like to set this picture, and then after choose this picture, this set to tap to preview. You can just tap to the preview, and now I would like to make here apply. After click over apply, we're going to see it's saying to set as lock screen or set as home screen. In this video purpose, I would like to set this picture in my home screen. So I'm going to click here home screen, and that's going to be set in my home screen. If I go back, I'm going to see just now I had set this picture. So in this way, we can easily change a wallpaper. Now you might be have some favorite picture and you would like to set them in your wallpaper. In order to do that, you click here again in the phone settings section, scroll all the way down, and then we're going to find here wallpaper. After click on wallpaper, we're going to see a screen appear just like this. We're going to click here this time local photo, and that's going to give you your mobile whatever picture is available. For example, I would like to set this picture. After click on this picture, it's going to give you the preview how it's going to be looks like. So I'm going to click apply, and then I would like to set this picture in my home screen. Now you can see I have successfully changed the picture. If I go back, I'm going to see my phone. Now it's appeared the new picture. So this is how you can easily change your wallpaper in your Redmi 9A. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.